Hey guys, this is a tutorial for an 808 bass in Massive. It's inspired by Amine, Reel It In. It's a track I heard today. It's got a really nice low-end bass line, so let's make it today. The preset itself is available for download on unison16.com. I'll have a link in the description, so grab it now or grab it at the end, and you should have it, and it's all free. Just got to sign up for the site. Alright, let's get going. So we'll have two oscillators. The oscillator 1 is a sine square wave. Pitch it down to -24. The position to 33% roughly. And the amp 100. Second oscillator, let's turn that on and pitch it to -12. It'll give us some high end. Position 100 and amp around 33. So let's see what that sounds like. Then let's take envelope 1, drag it over to oscillator 1, do the same for oscillator 2. So we dragged this little icon to oscillator 1 and oscillator 2. And let's pitch oscillator 1 and 2 up to 12. So we got a nice sound coming through. Then we got to turn on the filter and set it to daft. Cool. Cutoff to around 45. Sounding real nice already. Cool. For the FX, I want to set that to tele, set the dry wet to around 33, and the drive to around 40. Alrighty. Then we got to turn the feedback up to 40%. Nice thick sound. Cool. Then let's go to the voicing tab real quick and turn it to monophon. So then when you play keys or chords, it'll only ever play one note at a time. So you won't get nasty sounds. Let's go to the oscillator tab and turn glide time to 0. Cool. And now let's shape the sound. So in envelope 1, let's make sure delay is still at 0. Let's bring attack down a little bit to about 5%. And decay should be at 50, but let's bring that level down to 0. And then let's go to envelope 4, attack around 5, decay at 50, level at 50. Let's make it a one shot. Oops. And let's set release to 66. Boom. And that's it. So the preset is available on Unison 16, as well as tons and tons of other presets for Massive, for Serum, and for Silent, for various genres like trap, future bass, techno, house, deep house, anything you can think of. Thanks, guys.